In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Microsoft Project. Whether you're starting a plan from scratch or exploring templates, I'll walk you through a clear, straightforward setup so you're ready to build a reliable schedule in minutes. Start by opening Microsoft Project on your Windows desktop. From the top left, click File, then choose New. You'll see options for starting points. Select Blank Project, then click Create. This gives you a clean slate with a default Gantt view, perfect for building your plan step by step. If you prefer a head start, you can pick a template tailored to common scenarios, like construction or event planning, so you begin with pre-configured tasks and structure. Templates are great when you want to follow an established pattern, but a blank project keeps things flexible if your work is unique. Once your blank project opens, set the timing framework that everything else will follow. Go to the Project tab, then click Project Information. Here you can define either a start date or a finish date. Choose a start date when you know the kickoff and want the schedule to build forward. Choose a finish date when you have a hard deadline and need project to calculate backward. This choice influences how tasks will be scheduled, so pick the option that best reflects your planning reality. You can adjust it later if your timeline shifts, but setting it now helps tasks align as you build. Save your file right away so your work is protected. Click File, then Save, and give your project a clear, descriptive name that your team will recognize. Saving early is a simple habit that prevents headaches, especially as you begin adding structure and detail. It also makes it easier to revisit your setup and iterate confidently. At this point, you're ready to add the building blocks of your plan: tasks, durations, resources, and dependencies. Tasks are the individual pieces of work. Durations specify how long each task should take. Resources are the people, equipment, or costs assigned to do the work. Dependencies link tasks so one starts or finishes in relation to another, creating a timeline that reflects real-world sequencing. One quick tip while you're working: if you already have a project open and want to spin up another, press Ctrl+N to create a new project instantly. It's a simple shortcut that keeps your momentum going. And that's it. Your new project is created and ready for detail. Now you can build your plan with confidence and clarity.